Today we want to talk about the Mother Nature that we need to care. Mother Nature is a diverse and complex life system. Its charm appears in the trees, in the streams, in the soil, in the insects, and the moths, and the fungus, everything, every creature in the nature. All the things on the earth in different shapes, in different types, which are interdependent. When you get close to nature, please always remember each tree and each stone and each species of animals here have lived harmoniously for hundreds and thousands or millions of billions of years. And when we pass away, they will continue to live, and they are the real masters for living on this planet. We are just passerby. But however, the conduct we unconsciously do, such as picking, lumbering, tramping, and abusing cars, probably destroy the balance of their lives. So, therefore, we must reduce our bad influence as much as possible to create a harmonious environment to all the creatures. Just for example, we may reduce the number of motor cars and motor ships, because that one is really very dangerous for the corals in the shallow sea, and that will destroy the coral in the sea. So, get back to the text. So while you are enjoying the nature, just do not forget the beauty of the lives also need to be concerned with and to be protected. Each life on the earth have a long and touching evolutionary story. From the origin, the lives of the human being are equal to those of others, equal to insects, equal to the mammals, equal to the fishes. We are all equal. They both are the composing part of Mother Nature. Nevertheless, for some inexplicable reason, the human becomes the sort of spirit of all creatures. But of course, it is a result of the evolution. But please don't forget that we are still grateful to all our champions in the nature for the opportunity they offer. And every creature that appears in this Mother Nature, that results as a champion, as a winner in our Mother Nature. We are all balanced, we are all equivalent. And in spirit of this, the human cannot live without earth. They live on the earth, drink the sweat water, and enjoy the sunshine, and enjoy the sky, enjoy the air, and the fruit, the green outlines, the energy, and so on. In a word, the human being cannot live without nature, and without other creatures, we also will be disappeared. And the Mother Nature makes us grow stronger and more intelligent. I do not like the word pet, but prefer the word animal instead. I have been a loved animal since I was a little boy. When thinking of the pet fashion, I always feel much annoyed. For the animals will be given a shackle and lost their liberty if they become someone's pet. Their nature attempts can be improved too. Up to now, relying on their scientific power, the humans have opened up too much and overdeveloped our nature in order to fill up their growing wealth and growing consumptions. Destroy the nature balance, and however, they don't realize that this problem. Their overdevelopment and extent will be threatened by their own behaviors. Therefore, our science should be focused on nature, and we should put our science more on the nature recovery topic. And we should try to develop the concept of keeping human and nature live in unity and live in harmony. And we should lay emphasis on our education with consider cultural and natural emotion to use the lead example to wake up the conscience in people's heart. And to love nature is to love our mankind. As the new generation who enters the new century, we should make effort to love and to respect our nature, and to against those people or those behaviors who against the mother nature, who destroy the harmony, to treat it well, to protect it as our lives. At least we have the night to enjoy it. Thank you very much. This is my speech.